Hello, I'm Chris Ronzio, founder and CEO of Trainual, and in the next few videos I'm going to give you a complete overview on how to use the system, from setting up the basic system to creating content inside Trainual, assigning that content to users, the user's experience as they go through and complete content, and then the accountability piece of seeing what each user has done in your system. So when you first get into Trainual and start building out whatever it is that you'd like to document, whether it's your onboarding, your training, your SOPs, or just your general operations manual, the first thing you'll do is customize your account. So you'll see a wizard that looks just like this, and you'll be able to drop in your logo and colors. So I'll go ahead and select our favorite fake company, the Dunder Mifflin Company from The Office. And you can see I can choose a different background color. So if you have a transparent logo with a light color and perhaps want to choose a dark background, you can paste in the hex code if you know that, or just click here and select it from the color picker. Same thing for the accent color. And this color that you put in here will replace the color on all the buttons and the links throughout the site so that it's branded and it looks and feels like your company. When you click the next step, you'll be able to add the roles that you'd like to train. So we've added some suggestions here that might apply to your company, like an office manager or a virtual assistant. Just select any that apply, or you can create your own. So for instance, warehouse rep or something like that. Just hit enter, and then you can always click the X to get rid of those or create as many roles as you'd like. When you hit next, you'll have the opportunity to add collaborators to the account. So if there's other people that you want to help you building out material, you can add those users at this time as admins. Then just click done, and it'll take you right into what will be your home page that we call My Desk. So here in My Desk, you can see all the different subjects that I've previously created for this test account we have, but the one that you'll see in your account will be this Getting Started with Trainual. We preload every account with this just so that you can get a feel for how the material should look in the system and how you would progress through the material as a user. So you can click through and learn more about Trainual here, but we'll cover that in another video. The last thing I'd like to discuss is at any time if you'd like to change your settings, change your branding or some other settings, you can go into your settings and account info here in the settings. You can change your logo, your background color, your accent color, your industry, or any of the information you entered during your account setup. And you can also optionally turn on or off some of these modules. So the forum is a place where your users can have discussions about training questions, FAQs, best practices, or some other ways to use the forum. The library is where users can request access to things that they have not yet been assigned, and you as an admin can approve or deny those requests. Printing can be toggled on or off, and if toggled on, you can export PDFs of any of your content for use offline, and then you can also choose to use custom terminology in place of what we call subjects, topics, and steps. So again, we'll cover that in the next video, which is about creating content.